So we bought an electric dirt bike. What's going on, everyone? Here we are at Amped HQ. We received a very special parcel here the other day, the Surron Light Bee X electric dirt bike. Now, don't be mistaken, this is not an electric bicycle. This is a full-blown electric dirt bike. Now, the main reason that has really caught our attention with this bike is the reviews, and everything globally is just extraordinary. So we figured that we best get one for ourselves and see how this thing stacks up, and really what it is made of and if it's any good. We're not sure yet as to whether this bike is going to make it into our standard range, so to speak, but definitely drop a comment below and give this video a thumbs up if you would like to see this stocked by us. But a quick little rundown on specifications. So we've got a 5 kilowatt mid-drive motor here, which puts out a top speed of about 75 kilometers an hour. A 32 amp hour Panasonic battery, which is completely removable, and you can carry another one if you like. Now, another little thing here, like, have a go at this charger. It is like, it's next level, this charger. 10 amp charger. According to the specs, this thing will charge in 2.5 to 3.5 hours. So really good charge time. Now, especially for the capacity, to put it in perspective for you, the Wolf Warrior that we do is a 35 amp hour battery, which is a little bit bigger than the Surron here. And with our two standard chargers, you're looking at a charge time of up to 10 hours. So really good charge time on this thing. And you know, if you're cruising at about 25 Ks on average, the specs say you can get up to 100K range. If you're a bit of a whiskey throttle, which, let's be honest, everyone that's going to be riding one of these is going to be probably flogging it through the bush somewhere. So I would imagine you probably chop maybe 40% off that sort of range. But still, 50, 60 Ks is still a decent ride, especially if you can charge it in 2.5, 3 hours. Probably not ideal if you're out in the sticks and you've got nowhere to charge it. But in the scheme of things, you know, when you compare this bike to, say, a KTM or a Kawasaki or any of the big brands, as far as I understand, a lot of those bikes are around the $12,000 mark. So that is, when you compare it to this, which is $5,000, exceptional value for money. And the finish on just everything on this bike is just incredible. It's really incredible. And I think a lot of those, classic petrol heads, once they get on one of these, you're just going to love it. And if you're in the market for something like this, this thing is, I mean, everyone that's seen it in the last few days, everyone has said that this thing, they would buy one, 100%. So, let's jump in and I'll show you guys a bit of clips and stuff of what this bike is like, and see how it goes. We'll do some further tests and give you a bit of an update once we got a bit more of an idea on how it goes. But so far, so good. So, what are you doing there, mate? You just just learning how to ride your bike?
So we've got this part here. I'm not quite sure what it does just yet. I've still got to look it up. I've got a feeling it's something to do with the top speed. So basically, you remove this plug, like so. Plug this into there. That one plugs back into here. Fold that away nicely down the side there. Flip it back up. Got a red light. Flash, flash.
What does it do? I think initially we thought it made it run like a rocket.
Yeah, but it's
and de-restrict it, but
no matter what.
it doesn't seem to make any difference.
Let's give it a rip.